Are you still troubled by the low efficiency of pipe cutting and the high labor costs? The Dario Laser Automatic Material Drawing Laser Pipe Cutting Machine helps you break through production bottlenecks. The entire bundle of pipe materials is directly fed into the machine, and the entire process runs automatically. A single worker can easily supervise multiple pieces of equipment. Intelligent feeding and multi-spindle coordination technology maximize material utilization and achieve zero-waste processing. Whether it is the mass production of building steel structures, high-end furniture, or fitness equipment, it can output with a high precision of plus or minus 1 mm, maintaining stability. Mass production aimed at achieving the highest level of efficiency. For small batch and diverse orders, there are also semi-automatic and manual options available.